Introducing brand new washi tapes from Altenew. Washi tapes are a great way to add backgrounds, focal points, or accents on any paper crafting projects. From watercolor-inspired patterns to leaf clusters, and to classic geometric foiled backgrounds, these various designs are perfect for everyday crafting. Simply peel off a layer of washi tape from the roll and adhere it to the desired surface of your projects. You can also die cut these easily with any of our dies to create unique patterns. These washi tapes come in various sizes and provide great selections for card makers, scrapbookers, or mixed media enthusiasts. Altenew washi tapes can be purchased individually or together as a specially discounted bundle. To find out more about these washi tapes and fresh inspirations using these products, please visit us at altenew.com.